but I don't know why. You hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Just cut in all around here. Now that's had 3 coats over there, and it's probably going to have another one when I do this deck. So this is the deck all clean. A couple little bits of water on there so it's wiped off. All brushed in. All we got to do now is, no, we can't roll it. See, this stuff here cannot be rolled. It has to be brushed or sprayed. So we're going to be brushing it. But to brush it with, we're going to use the Deck Boss. Now, I don't know if you remember the Deck Boss. I did a review about this with my cat, kitty cat. It was so soft. Well, it's not so soft anymore. It's been used a couple of times. Feels a little bit gluggy, to be honest. But once it gets into some clear, it'll be quite nice. It's quite a large brush, and it has a screw in on the top, the Dura. So we're using the Ultra Deck. It says timber oil, but it's actually a water-based, right, in a natural. So that's what we're using. And we just need a tray. We're going to pour it in there. One-handed, of course. Don't do this at home, folks. Stick the lid on that one. Got the brush there, and we shouldn't need that anymore for a little while. We'll just wet this rag. And that just stops that from going off a bit. Okay, we're ready to go, we're ready to rock and roll. Kick our shoes off. Have a drink of water. That's what I like to have, a bottle of water around everywhere. Alright, let's do it. Now we might start up the top. The edges have had 2 coats. Over that side there's had 3 coats, because that's where most of the sun's going to come. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. So if we look close there, you'll see that's 1 coat, that's 2 coats. Right? So if you look at the angle, you can actually see it. So that's all going to be having 3 coats. So we're going to put another coat on it now. Then that'll be 3 coats. So it'll actually have up to 4 coats over there. And so, really just like that. Feels pretty good. Probably should have wet that brush first, but I didn't. Don't be scared to put it on. Thickness is important. Now we're just going to go up, I think, up there and then come back, I think might be the go. I mean, it's a nice day. It's probably about 20, 22 degrees. sun's out. Feels very easy to use, this deck brush. I haven't used it for a long time. It's probably been 2 years since I've used this. Oh, no, maybe a year. Yeah, maybe a year since I've used this one. Maybe over a year actually. Yeah, say a year and a half since I've used this deck brush. Anyhow, there's no good me filming every stroke. So what I'll do, I'll turn the camera off and I'll show you when I've finished the deck.
I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're alone. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back.